think some of the common sort of, I guess, misconception that, or I suppose, when people come and see me and they just say, okay, look, I just want to have liposuction to improve my abdominal contour, and often, I sort of say that, there may be a small cohort of patient that will be suitable, say, just for, liposuction. But unfortunately, when you, have a look at, if you just have a look at yourself and then see that, okay, well, there's actually a lot of excess skin that I can pinch, or, there is just that sort of kind of central bulging that you may experience often, because of the muscle separation, then those things really needed to be addressed surgically, because liposuction will just further deflate the skin and wouldn't really be able to, I guess, actually tighten up the skin tone in a meaningful way to give you the result that you want. So it's not uncommon that, I guess, when patients sort of come in with the expectation of a liposuction, which in their definition is a minimally invasive procedure, that I recommended a surgery, it may come in with a bit of a shock. But I think the reality is that, yes, it is a longer procedure. Yes, it will leave you a bit more surgical scar, but the reality is that, to really adequately address any excess skin and also that central bulge, surgery really is the only way that can still give you that reliable result. So I think people often have that misunderstanding that abdominoplasty is only reserved for a certain number of patients, but in fact I think you'll find that really I think the application is probably a bit wider than expected, and yes, it is a longer recovery, but it is definitely the process that will give the majority of people that sort of longer term result that they're after. So I think that's one of those sort of common things that may confuse patient, but this is where a consultation is very important to be able to address all those concerns that you have, and then obviously we'll advise you which operation will be suitable for you to address your concerns to improve the abdominal contour.